All right, man. Thanks for tuning in. We got a Yamaha drive. I'll show you how to change the oil. On a 17mm wrench. On the driver's side, there's a drain bolt here. 17mm wrench. Does not have no oil filter, so don't try to find one. And also, the way the engine is designed is kind of slanted on a lifted cart, so you have to jack the back of the car up into the motor's level. That way you can get all the oil out the car. Let's see here. And we use 1030 oil, Castro or Valvoline, whichever. All right, man, that's something simple, a little trick. Not really a trick, just something simple. I figured I'll show y'all. Remember, 17mm wrench or 17mm 6-point socket, whichever. All right, man, stay tuned. We'll post some more videos.